How to buy Berabot token. Now this token came under the symbol of BB or BBOT. Sorry, BBOT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. Don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on CoinGisco. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Now, what you need to do, just click on markets here, as you can see. Now you'll be able to see this exchange platform called Kodiak version 3. Now click on this pair link. Now after that, you will be able to redirect it to Kodiak. So what you need to do here, as you can see, now click here on connect your wallet. Now wait a few seconds, select your wallet that you use. I will use the BitKit wallet. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to this Kodiak swap, I think this is decentralized exchange platform. What you need to do, just switch from here. Now from the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, the Bear. So if you make sure that you have enough Bear on your wallet. Now here type how much you want to buy, as you can see. So here you will be able to see, as you can see, how much you will be able to receive that token. Now click on this little arrow to expand this and read that information. I think here click on stop and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy a BBOT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.